When I was young, you unboxed a present on your birthday or did it under the Christmas tree. Nowadays, people unbox almost daily. But don't worry, I will not unbox this lovely 2-slice toaster. Besides, I already unboxed it and enjoyed my first toast. No, I have something better to show you. Today I found this letter in our letterbox, and you already guessed it. I unboxed it. But now I will open it and show you what's inside. It is a beautiful hand-colored postcard. It takes me back to Battersea Park in London more than a century ago. This year we also wanted to give our garden a more tropical feel and planted some lovely canna lilies. It's a nice coincidence that John Gibson, the superintendent of Battersea Park, designed its tropical garden in the middle of the 19th century. Canna lilies played a significant role in popularizing this new concept. But swiftly as their popularity rose, so it fell. Then, with the revival of subtropical gardens a few decades ago, like the tropical garden at Great Dixter, the canna lily grew in popularity again.